hope you're all well. In today's video, as you already seen from the title, I am reviewing for the very first time the Shein Clothes. I did not like a massive clothes haul, I did like a more of a mini haul because it's the very first time of me trying this brand. I heard about this before, but I never ordered from him because, okay, I thought it's exactly the same as Wish and it would come from like, you know, China, taking 5 weeks to arrive or something. If you ever ordered anything from Wish, you will know exactly what I mean, because if you order from Wish, usually it takes like 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 weeks, 10 weeks, literally takes forever. I ordered from Shein for the very first time. Even the website itself, if you compare it to Wish, it's completely different. Like, it's their own clothes. It's not something, you know, that you see one in a picture, you get completely different thing. It's like its own brand. It's more like a Primark actually, if you go and compare. So I was really surprised about that, and I've seen quite a few people posting about it, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna give it a go and try for myself. I didn't order a lot of things, but you know, I got this pack in here. It's quite a few things, so I think without any further ado, let's open this up. I'm a bit, you know, scared if it's not gonna be exactly the same as it was in a picture when I ordered, but we shall see. I love to begin with that it comes in branded pack that is a Shein on it. That's already promising. Alright, so first thing that I ordered is these leggings. I took in a size XS, but from what I see so far, it looks a bit too big for me. Like, I'm not the tallest person, I'm quite small, so this looks rather big. Okay, when I ordered these online, it said that it's sports tights, like sports leggings rather than just leggings, because this is what I was aiming for, because I do exercise regularly even when I'm at home. And then I was checking for high-waisted, but then look at that. How tall you have to be for this? This is like crazy. Good thing it's not see-through, which we like. But I mean, I need to put this on and we'll see how it looks, because so far it looks huge. If this waistline is shorter, then the legs is fine. Like the length is, I think, gonna be okay. But then this waist part, I need to like half it. Okay, let's put this on. So I was absolutely correct. The leggings is far too high-waisted. This is like ridiculous. I don't know how long needs to be the torso to wear this like properly, but I think if you would just fold this elastic part one way down, like one line down, if you just fold it down, it might actually work, because it would sit on the waist, because it's like a thick elastic part. So you just fold down, it kind of work actually. And the length itself is good. I think the size itself is a bit too big, although I took in a size XS. It could be a size smaller, but this is the smallest size they had, because I did like other leggings they had on their website. For those leggings, the smallest size was S, and I thought like usually size XS, like I'm UK size 6, sometimes 8, so I better go for, you know, the smallest they have just in case. But then if comparing to Wish sizes are too small, so you need to take a size bigger usually, because it's more like Asian market, you know what I mean, because they're kind of more petite. So yeah, but what I like, as I mentioned, it says Shein like on the logo, which if you guys see, it says Shein on it, size XS, although it's more like an S to me. You know, we can wing it. It's wearable, especially for home, or more of a like loungewear, not sports leggings, but more of a loungewear. Yeah, you can make it work actually. So it's not too bad, but slightly bit disappointing. Not gonna lie. Okay, let's check another item what I have in here. I don't really remember what I ordered, but you know, let's check. So once again, the same branded bag, which I like, Ziploc bag, which can be reused. So this one is the t-shirt. It's all like very neatly packed, which I really like. Like, it just shows that the brand is actually proper brand, not like, you know, like you have a little paper tissue in there and everything, like properly folded. So I really like this black t-shirt. It's super simple, like your basic t-shirt, but it says dream on it, and I love it, so I've done for this. But yeah, really like this t-shirt, super simple. I took in a size XS. Once again, Shein label on it. Love it. As a size XS, it's slightly bit oversized. It's like not super tight. I actually love it because I can make a knot in the front, on the side, or in the back, and wear it as a crop top. Really simple. Love it. Definitely gonna be wearing this. You might see me wearing in some of my videos as well. And it's cute with a logo that says Dreamer. Plus, simple t-shirts like this is so versatile. You can wear it just as a t-shirt. You can, you know, tuck it in your trousers or make a, like, as I said, knot and have it as a crop top. You can wear it with like a leather jacket on or any elegant jacket, kinda, you know. You can make it up. Actually, you can make it more as a sporty or more as an edgy or more as a, you know, like elegant, sophisticated look. Very, very versatile to have a basic t-shirt in your wardrobe, so would definitely recommend to get one. And this one is just cute and simple, so would just match with everything in your wardrobe, I think. What you think? Okay, another thing that I got in here, once again, branded bag, which we love, with a Ziploc. Alright, I remember a thing what I got in here. Okay, yeah. So this one is just a simple body with a little heart detail, black body with like white overlining on it. With heart detail. What I love about it, that these spaghetti stripes are actually adjustable and it's stretchy as well, so you can, you know, size it up the way it's better for you, which I think is absolutely great. What you guys think? Plus, the like body itself, the way that would go over your bum is high-waisted more. The cutout that will go over your bum is more as a tank rather than big, you know, pant kind of looking thing. So if you're wearing like tight trousers or anything like that, it wouldn't go showing up. I hope you know what I mean, because like I personally love bodies and I wear a lot of it, and sometimes it goes more of a like, it looks like you're wearing granny pants when you wear tight jeans over it because of the shape of the body, like on a, what sits on your bum. But this one is more as like a tongue, so it should sit pretty as well. And it has this like clips in here, so it's easier to go to the loop because you can just open the side, you know. You don't need to take it all off like you would do with a jumpsuit which is super annoying. So this is a clever part about it. You don't need to take it all off. You can just open this part when you go to live. So I think it's very handy and it looks so pretty. I took this in a size, I think I took in a XS as well. Yeah, I took in a size XS, and once again it's branded by Shein, which we love. It's not some kind of different brand. And XS I think suits pretty well. It could be a size smaller as well, but I'm not gonna complain because the torso looks a bit too long for me. But once again, I'm not the tallest person, so maybe that's why. But it looks pretty good. The material itself is very, very soft and kind of a bit stretchy. I don't know what it says about material in here. Oh, it says it has a spandex material in here as well, so here you go. That's why it's like super soft and stretchy. Great, we love this even more now, aren't we? But I think it looks super pretty. It's very comfortable and material is super nice as well, like super soft, literally. I forgot to mention the t-shirt material was really, really nice, like proper cotton, very soft, and it felt nice on the skin. Not like, you know, if you get some t-shirts, it's very, I don't even know how to explain, it's not plasticky, but it's very like fake. It's not, material itself is not nice to touch, but that t-shirt and this body material is very, very like super soft. Like you just wanna, you know, touch, so it's just nice on the skin as well and it's not irritating. Okay, so I got one more thing. Okay, so this one is the heart printed. It looks like a polka dot. See, it's actually little heart shapes, but looks from flower that it's polka dot. So it's a mini wrap dress, which I love because you can adjust for your size like properly. It has this pretty ruffle detail going all around the wrap. Has adjustable stripes once again, so you can size it up, you know, do longer or shorter the way you prefer. And then this belt that would go around. I think this sits really pretty. I love this ruffle detail that goes all around the dress. Material is not the thickest, but yet it's not see-through. It's very light dress, so it's perfect for summer, for hotter days. And it's wrap-up dress, so you can make as tight or as loose as you wish, because it has this like special hole in here on the side to put the belt through to wrap it around properly. Really love this dress. Like, I'm obsessed. I think it looks beautiful on. It's very comfortable. Adjustable stripes. Yeah, love it. Definitely gonna be wearing this, and it's made really nicely. Like, I can't complain about quality from any of these items that I got. Well, maybe the leggings, because it's oversized, and the torso part, I mean, it said that it's high-waisted, but when you think high-waisted, you think kind of your waist length, not like, you know, your bra length, because this is just, I don't know how big your torso needs to be to fit in those trousers. So leggings. So for that reason, leggings is a bit, you know, I'm disappointed about the leggings, but as a loungewear, it can be wearable if you fold this part down, so it sits on the waist, but it's still a bit like too loose. Like, I want, if I'm exercising, I want my leggings to be like proper tight, you know what I mean? Like proper sitting nicely, but those are just, yeah, it's too loose, and that's a smaller size you can get. So I think if you're gonna go for any sports leggings from Shein, go a size smaller if you can, if it's available. But everything else is just a perfect size. I think my favorite is this dress. What do you guys think? Material itself is really nice. It's really nicely done, like the proper quality. I'm like looking for any folds, but I can't see any. So yeah, definitely better than Wish, trust me. Like, I ordered from Wish before. It was okay, but it wasn't good. And sometimes you can really lose, sometimes you can win with Wish. But with this, I'm really pleasantly surprised. For me, the Shein is very similar to Primark, actually. It's just that Primark has an actual physical stores, but they don't sell online. And then Shein has, you know, online store, but not the actual physical store. So that's the only difference. But everything else, for me, is just, yeah, it reminds me a lot of a Primark. Oh, by the way, this dress, I'm pretty sure I took in a size XS. Let's just check. Yeah, I took in a size XS as well. And I love it. It's branded as well as a Shein on it. Yeah, it's like proper brand. I'm really surprised. Like, I wasn't expecting that it's gonna be that good. So I got one more thing in here. This is not for me. I got this actually for my husband. I think that's why it came packed separately, because it was, you know, for female and for male, like different packaging. This one though doesn't have this branded Shein bag, like Ziploc bag, like the rest of the things come. I mean, let's just check. So once again, I got the lounge like joggers for him. Let's just see. Okay, so this is slightly bit different material. Material itself is not as soft as like other things that I got, or the leggings that are for me, and it's far too big. So these joggers material is more like, I don't even know how to explain, but it's not the same like super soft material, and I can't see any brand log on it. Like, all it says that it's size L, but then I don't see anywhere that it would say Shein on it. So I'm a bit confused, because all clothes for me had proper Shein log on it, and you know, everything. This one just says the size. So it's just a simple joggers, and it's well made. It's just very strange that it doesn't have Shein log on it while everything else has, and it came in a separate pack. I mean, in the same package, but in a separate bag without the Shein log on it. A bit bizarre, but you know, who knows. I think I'll be ordering more things from Shein, and they do have more things on their website. They have like jewelry and, you know, shoes and bags and even makeup. But I thought, because I'm ordering for very first time, I took only a few things, just, you know, not to be disappointed and waste my money for, you know, shite. So yeah, that's why I got only a few things. But yeah, pleasantly surprised. I think I'm gonna be getting more things, and maybe some shoes or bags. I never ordered shoes by the way online, so I'm not sure how that would go. Do you guys find this video helpful? Have you tried anything from Shein before? Let me know in the comments down below. Was your experience good? Like, did you like, did you hate? Because honestly, this is my very first time trying anything from Shein whatsoever. That's why I went with, you know, as little as I can just to check out the quality. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching this. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys.